Heating your home is probably one of the most expensive things that you contribute to, from heating your house for your heaters to heating with your water so that way you can take showers and so on and so forth. And these things use up a lot of energy that I don't think we even realize, because we just flip on a little switch and it's all over, right? Well, consider the fact that just for me to heat up these 12 gallons of water is going to end up using maybe 5-10 logs, and then to keep it going so it can stay warm like a water heater. So imagine what that's doing inside of your home whenever you're having to continuously heat your water, continuously run your heater. For us, wood is a throwaway item. It's something that we use whenever we cut down trees or limbs. And then now we save these items right over here. We save these items so that way we can in turn use them to do things like heat water on nice days like today. So it takes a little bit of time sometimes to get it going, but once it gets going, it heats up that water at a fairly quick pace, and then we can keep that water going for a while and take care of a lot of things that need heat. And one of those is trying to get this fire hot enough to light all of the logs at the bottom. I am not the best at building a fire. My husband far exceeds my abilities, but he's working and I'm at home. So this is what I'm doing today. Have a good day, guys.